Sony has officially unveiled the Xperia VIII, introducing a mix of camera-focused upgrades, wide square-shaped camera module on the upper left back panel, resembling a layout closer to modern mainstream flagships. Available in graphite black, iodide silver, garnet red, and native gold, including a 3.5mm headphone jack. The Sony Xperia VIII features a 6.5-inch OLED LTPO display with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. The smartphone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. It comes with up to 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.1 storage. The phone also includes a 48-megapixel primary camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, 48-megapixel telephoto camera, and a 12-megapixel front camera. A 5000 mAh battery powers the device with support for 30W wired charging and wireless charging. The standard 256GB variant is priced at €1,499/1,399. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.